What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother as well as a makeup lover, of course. So for today's video, I am going to be doing this yellow shiny sparkly smoky eye. So I mean, none of my tones of yellow really match, but we're just gonna go with it, okay? I don't have any yellow shirts that are this yellow. This is like pastel yellow. But somebody requested on my TikTok to see a yellow look. So this is really all I could think of without incorporating any other colors besides yellow. So I am going to be doing my eyes as well as my face makeup in today's video. So I really do hope that you guys enjoy. And I don't really have too much to say. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right on in. Today's video is going to be just a little bit different because I'm actually not going to be using an eyeshadow palette today. I've done a few yellow looks in the past, but people really want to see yellow. So today I'm thinking like a yellow smoky eye, yellow base, yellow pigment, gold glitter, but you know, in the yellow realm, and then maybe some eyeliner. So I know you guys will have already seen this look. Obviously, I have not done it yet. So I'm gonna start by taking the P. Louise Yummy Yellow base. So this does crease pretty badly, so I'm gonna use a very thin amount. The only primer that I have currently on my eyes is the primer that I use to clean up my eyebrows. So I'm gonna take this on a flat packing brush. So I just have it on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to work this into the brush. I'm just gonna coat this all over the lid. So the thing about this primer is it is a pastel yellow, so you're not really gonna be able to see too much of the pigment. What really makes the difference for this base is when you put the yellow on top of it, it really pops. So I know it doesn't look too yellow right now, but work with me. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Makeup and Murder Poison Poison Pastel. Third try is a charm. Now I'm gonna take the Makeup and Murder Pastel Poison Neon Pigment. This is the neon ass yellow. So these pastels can be a little bit messy, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put down like a little baby wipe or like a towel or something, and then I'm just gonna pop the cork, or I'll shake it, get some of the pigment on the cork, and then I'll take the cork off. Cork, it's a funny word. And I'm just gonna tappity tap. Tap, tap, tap. I'm just gonna cover my whole lid in this pigment. Now I'm going to take the Peaches and Cream glitter base, and I'm also going to take the shade Bollywood in their pigment as well. So this is kind of gold, but I think under the yellow base it will work just fine for what we're doing. So what I like to do is I'll just take a little bit of the glue on the back of my hand. Hi, baby. And I'll just take my finger and just kind of tap it out everywhere I want it. And then take the pigment and tap that right over. Now I'm going to take the Balm Cosmetics Schwing Black Liquid Liner, and I think I'm just gonna do a fat wing. Like, she's gonna be thick, baby, thick. Okay, so the liner took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to, but I actually really like how everything turned out. I think that it does look like, I mean, if this isn't yellow, girl, I don't know. All I did was I applied my primer and I color corrected under my eyes to hide my eye bags. So now I did already do a first impressions of the Beauty Creation Flawless Stay Foundation and the concealer as well. That was actually the video that was supposed to go up today, but I accidentally deleted it. So I'm going to be using these products again today, and then afterwards I'll give you guys my thoughts and opinion on them. So I just took a pump of this on the back of my hands. Gotta wipe my lipstick off. They were sold out of a lot of shades when I went of the foundation and the concealer. So usually I would go like a shade darker with my foundation and I would go a shade lighter with my concealer. But like I said, they were sold out of a lot of things. So I just kind of got to try it, and if I like it, I'll purchase the correct shade. So this does look really like pale on me. I mean, it kind of matches my neck, but it is just a little bit lighter than I like. So I'll just go ahead and fix that with like contour and stuff. So I'm not really too worried about it. It's scented. Kind of smells florally, like, you know, like an old lady. And it's thick, baby. She is thick, which I guess is good for the, you know, medium to full coverage claim. The first time that I used this, it was kind of sticking to all my dry patches, but I hadn't exfoliated in a couple days. So I was wondering if that was why that it was kind of sticking to my dry patches. So I still haven't exfoliated, but we're just gonna push through. Okay, so I just went ahead and I applied my Too Faced Born This Way 2 Cream Contour. I want to try just powder contouring my nose and seeing if that makes a difference, because I don't want my nose to be too dark. I'm going to take the Made by Mitchell blush in the shade Sweet Cheeks, because I want it to be very soft. Like, I want my blush and stuff to be very soft because my eyes are soft. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my nose. Right there, like that. This is a really beautiful baby pink blush. Now I'm going to take the Beauty Creation Flawless Stay Concealer. I usually would like to go in with a shade lighter. So what I'll do is I'll take just a little bit of this Glamouflage Pro Concealer, because this one's like super pale. So I'll just put just a tiny touch of that in. So just to lighten it up a little bit. Yeah, because this concealer, the Beauty Creation one's really yellow. I think the concealer looks really good. I think the foundation is sticking a little bit to my dry patch right here on my mouth, my nose, and like up here on my forehead a little bit. But other than that, I think it looks really good. I do need to exfoliate, so I will try these products again with exfoliated skin, just to get like a better first impressions of them. So now I'm going to take the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Setting Powder. So I'm going to blend out these creases first. I'm going to take the powder on these little poofs I got on Amazon. These things are a game changer, let me tell you. You think it doesn't make a difference? Like, it's a poof. They do. They make a difference. They're just so soft, and they really don't lift your product under. I have a link at the bottom of my description box. Beacons. It's called Beacons. If you click it, it'll have a link to all of my my discount codes, and it links to the website and everything like that. I also have an Amazon favorites, And I'll go ahead and leave these poofs in there in case you're interested. Also, these little pawpaw sponges, they are so good and they're so inexpensive. I think I got a pack of like 8 for like 10 bucks or something like that. So okay, so I also recently picked up this NYX Professional Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm gonna use this shade to contour my nose. I want to see how that looks. I'm gonna take this shade darker to contour my cheeks and my forehead. So this is a contour palette, not a bronzer palette. So don't be digging your fingers in my stuff already, pal. I just bought this. Thank you. The difference between contour and bronzer is contour is it shapes your face, bronzer warms it up. In case you did not know. I didn't know that for the longest time. Like, what's the difference? Oh yeah, I really like that actually. Okay, and then my sun's in my hand, but I'm gonna take one of the highlight shades from the top row, probably the lightest one, and I'm just gonna pop it right under my eyeballs. See how that looks. Ooh, really soft actually. Okay, yeah, I super like that. Okay, to bronze a little bit, I'll take my Iconic Linen bronzer because like I said, it's every time I close my drawer, it's pieces of it are breaking off. So I'll just very softly with a big fluffy brush go over my cheeks and my forehead and my nose. This brush right here, I got in Box Charm. It's a Luxie 514 brush. I'm going to take the Milani Rose Powder Blush in the shade Blossomite Rose. And I'm just going to do a quick little sweep of this across the cheekies. Hold on, let me see. Pick a movie for my kid. He's gonna make me change it every 5 seconds. Oh, that's pigmented. No?
Mom.
What, baby? So this does have a highlighter in it. This NYX contour palette. This shade right here is a highlighter. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Very soft, subtle. Definitely not me. We're gonna take the Kimo Cosmetics Diamond Glow in the shade number 2. This is such this. There are no words. I'm gonna denser brush. The highlighter does look like it's gonna be glittery, but honestly it's not. It looks so wet. Like I don't know how to explain like the formula of it, but just look at it. And then when I do my up close at the end of my video, you could definitely see my highlighter, so you could really see what I mean. It doesn't look like super glittery like Jeffree Star's highlighter or like his Diamond Glow ones, but it's like just so wet and pretty and shiny and delicious. I'm gonna take the Kaleidos Space Age highlighter in the shade Solar Sailor. And I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put this in my inner corner brow bone. Oh my god. My kid literally is making me change the movie. He picks one, I put it on. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. You're driving me nuts, dude. Pick a movie. To finish off this look, let's just do under the eyes, lashes, lips, and we're pretty much done. So I'm going to take this LA Color black gel liner. Then I'm going to take some of the P. Louise base in the shade Yummy Yellow. So now I'm going to take this Doll Beauty DB8 brush, it's just a flat brush, and I'll take some more of that pigment. And I'm just going to apply this right under my eye. Okay, so I'm going to take the Unearthly Cosmetic lashes in the style Supreme Being. So this is what they look like. I do also have a code with Unearthly Cosmetics, which is 3-in-1 makeup as well. Save you some money. So I'm going to apply these, and then I'm going to go in with like a nudie lip. I want to use this LA Color lip liner in the shade Mauve because it's like my lip color. So I want to go with a nude lip. So let me go ahead and apply all of those products, and then we can come back and let you guys know my final thoughts and opinions on how I think everything looks, especially my face makeup. Okay, so here is the completed look. I ended up going in with the LA Color lip liner in the shade Mauve, and then the Beauty Creation gloss in the shade Foxy. I actually really like that formula. It feels really nice. So I got a mini when I like purchased everything else, so probably gonna have to go full size with that one. Really quickly, before I forget, I wanted to give my thoughts and opinions on the foundation and the concealer. So I haven't exfoliated my skin like I said before, but wherever there's like not a dry spot, so like I have a dry spot here, right here, and then just a little bit on my forehead, it did kind of cling to those spots. But everywhere else, I do have to say that it looks really, really smooth and really flawless. So I do really like the products. I want to try them with other foundations, other concealers. I want to mix it up a little bit and see how they perform with other products. Other than that, I do really like how the foundation and the concealer look. So I'll be sure to give you guys an update after I try them out a little bit more. But yeah, I think everything looks really good. These are the vibes. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. And without further ado, we're going to go right on ahead. Roll the clip.